Hey guys, what's up? Let's go to a fancy, luxurious, beautiful, divine Evershine Keys resort and spa, Mahabaleshwar. One of the most beautiful properties. Like इसकी vibe इतनी खूबसूरत है. It's so neat, it's so clean. One of the best hotels for an OCD person like me. So let's check in some rooms, okay? This was the Aqua Vista. The bathrooms are a little small, okay, so that you don't waste much time inside. This was the wardrobe, and you have some complimentary chai, coffee, pani. खुद बनाओ, खुद पी लेना. The room was nice, clean, decent. The bed was a little bit small. Okay. Now let me show you the view from this room. This was the swimming pool view, which I was least interested in because I don't want all this ching cha. Okay, I need peace. I need to relax. I need sukoon, and that is in the forest view. That is the forest व्यू लक्स. ओके, दैट इज़ दिस रूम. ये कोई फॉरेस्ट व्यू नहीं है, ये वो गार्डन व्यू है जो दिखता एक फॉरेस्ट जैसे है. ठीक है. द प्राइजेस ऑफ द रूम्स आर कनेक्टेड विद द व्यू ऑफ द रूम्स. नाउ लेट मी टेक यू टू दिस गार्डन. ठीक है. ये गार्डन इतना साफ सुथरा, झूला है, झूला झूल लेना, टायर्स है, जो करना है कर लो यार यहाँ पे. मतलब दिस वाज माय वीडियोग्राफी स्किल्स. नाइस मिस्टी फॉरेस्ट, very well maintained. There is no kachara patti anywhere, you can go sit, chill, take a walk, and it's very beautiful in short. So ये जो forest lux view rooms है, इसका जो view है that is this. Okay, so let me check in my room. As usual, the rooms are quite similar. The bathrooms, I said, they're quite small, and ठीक है, this room will cost you somewhere around 15 to 20,000, including taxes and including fancy excellent breakfast. This is the view from the Forest Lux room. ओके, फॉरेस्ट व्यू लक्स whatever it is. एंड यहाँ पे ना आप आराम से खा सकते हो. आई enjoyed my amazing buffet and breakfast. Then they have certain activities like hair braiding, sketching, mehendi, nail paint, and all these fancy stuffs from 4 to 6 o'clock. वहाँ पे लिखा रहता है मेन्यू पे क्या क्या होने वाला है आज. And this is the view of the waiting area, the lobby, the reception, whatever you call it. It's so cozy, it's so comfortable. इतना सुकून भरा vibe है यहाँ पे. And this was the fountain changing colors. And ये ना रात का view है जब the entire hotel is शांत, and there are no more people loitering around. Let's dig into the breakfast buffet with donuts and muffins and marmalades and jams and breads. Like क्या चाहिए आपको, जो चाहिए आपको यहाँ पे है. Porridge है, oats है, french fries, steamed vegetables and cheese and some chudas, and it's like poha, sabudana khichdi, and misal pav, pakoras. मतलब आप देख सकते हो ना, देख लो. मेथी के पराठे एंड सैलड्स एंड अलग अलग सॉसेस एंड cheese sandwich, chutney sandwich, some baked fancy baked yogurt with different flavors and fresh fruits. There was mashmelon, muskmelon, detox water, cold coffee, watermelon juice, and hot milk, hot chocolate, chai, coffee, and ye fancy bakery cakes, idli, vada, and boiled eggs, poached eggs, barbecue chicken, sausages, live kitchen, omelette, dosa, uttappa. जो खाना है खाओ यार. मतलब फुल मज़े के ब्रेकफास्ट है. इतना मज़ा आएगा आपको ब्रेकफास्ट करने में. इट्स वन ऑफ द excellent breakfast I've ever had. This is the view. The fog was, resting, so I was like, let's go and check into another room. This is also a room which will cost you somewhere about 20 to 25,000, including your taxes and breakfast. And let me show you the view from the room. Rooms are almost similar, but the views, view का पैसा है फिलहाल. And ये व्यू है, ये लेक व्यू है, वैली व्यू है. फ़िलहाल आपको कुछ नहीं दिखेगा बिकॉज इट्स द फॉग व्यू राइट नाउ. लेट्स डिग इन टू द बुफे. नाइस थाई सूप and papad and butter and some veg items like some dal, chawal, paneer, some salad and alag kisam ke achar and hummus, different flavored hummus with pita bread, with olive oil, with salads. And the dessert, oh my god, every day there was a new cake. ब्राउनी, गाजर का हलवा, गुलाब जामुन, चिकन करी, मटन करी, स्टीम्ड फिश, चाइनीज़, चाउमीन. देख लो यार, देख लो. पास्ता, लजानिया एंड क्या कुछ नहीं है, मतलब सब कुछ है. आइसक्रीम्स है. और ये जो डिज़र्ट्स थे ना, they were nice. Some looked fancy but didn't taste all that great. But the Indian desserts, the halwa, the gulab jamun, they were excellent. इतना खाने के बाद I was like, let's go and take a walk outside. 11 बजे तक यहाँ के fancy lights चालू रहते, ठीक है. द वाइब ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज़ लाइक सुकून भरा है. पता है, अगर आपको सुकून चाहिए ना, यू वांट लग्जरी, यू वांट पीस एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू रिलैक्स, दिस एवरशाइन कीज महाबलेश्वर. दिस आई रियली लव एवरशाइन. दिस इज़ द प्लेस यू नीड टू कम फॉर योर रेस्ट, योर ब्रेक फ्रॉम द सिटी लाइफ. एंड बारिश हो रही थी, ठीक है. And this is the view from my room in the night. So nice food. You have buffet, you have breakfast for buffet, you have dinner for buffet. Dinner you have to pay around 1700-1800 including taxes. Then I called for some Thai curry and rice, room service. This was the fancy fan and the lights. Now let's check in another buffet. Okay, I was here for 4-5 days and the food, the buffet was almost same, dal, chawal and different sabzi, Thai curry sometimes, different pasta, different sauces and chow mein and one Chinese gravy. And but the desserts, come on, the desserts were like mind blowing. Every day there was a new menu for the desserts. इतना मज़ा आएगा ना आपको. मतलब चमचम है, पाइनएप्पल केक है, रोज़ एक अलग केक था डेजर्ट में. एंड देयर वाज फ्रेंच टोस्ट एंड ये जो था ना, ये हमस, pita bread and this salads and these pickles, ये जो layout था ना, ये this used to always be there. This used to even be there for the breakfast and for the buffet dinner. You can have green tea, black tea, coffee, pink tea, orange tea, whatever you want. Everything is available. Live kitchen है. कभी चिकन 65, कभी क्रिस्पी चिकन, कभी फलाफल्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. आई यूज़ टू गो एंड निबल ऑन एवरीथिंग बिकॉज दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम मेड फॉर. मतलब दिख इतना अच्छा रहा. एंड दीज वर माई पैल्स, माई फ्रेंड्स whom I used to go and give some food from the buffet. This was the gaming zone. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है ना, यहाँ आके मज़े करना आप, ठीक है. 1 coin is for $100 and this was my favorite unicorn. गोल गोल घूम घूम के आपका सर घूम जाएगा. And quite nice, spacious. This was that themed sitting area. You can go take your breakfast. This was another cake, some blue color, and this was some black forest, brown forest, I don't know. But the desserts, like, देखो ना कितनी सारी चीज़ें. एंड दिस वाज द व्यू सुबह के टाइम पे. एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट रूम्स, यू कैन गो ऑनलाइन, यू कैन चेक. एंड दिस देयर इज़ अनदर केक फॉर अनदर डे. मतलब मैंने जितने दिन आई वॉज वहाँ पे मैंने बुफ़े खाया, ठीक है, वहाँ का. एंड रोज़ देयर वाज अ न्यू cake and new desserts and different desserts, cappuccino. If you want, you can ask them. Wilson Point is just 5 minutes away from that place, so it's a 10 on 5, definitely must stay.